he realized that Adam was lonely. Malungkot si Adam, hindi si Eve. Si Adam yan, si Denver yan. Si Adam yan. Ayan eh. Denver yan. Hindi naman, ito na naman. Ano, create the voice. God said. So, create the first woman. O, nag-create gumawa si Papa Jesus, ng babae. Its name is Eve. No, not Mama Mary. Adam named her Eve. Adam, si Denver yan. Living happily in the garden. Masaya silang namumuhay sa garden. They play with the animals, eat whatever they wanted at